Meet Sanjeev, a first year student at IST and a passionate tech enthusiast who realized that coding learners don't lack resources. They lack direction. So he built Neopath, a smarter platform that helps learners practice coding with guidance and clear progress. Let's hear his story.
Learning to code has never been easier, and yet most learners still quit. Not because they lack resources, but because they lack direction, feedback, and clear sense of progress. Today, learners jump between tutorial, courses, and platform practicing randomly without knowing what they are doing wrong or what to improve next. The result? Confusion, burnout, wasted efforts. So, here, the problem Neopath solves. Neopath is an intelligent learning platform built for tech learners who want to practice coding with the right way. Instead of checking the whether code runs, Neopath performs analyze error, logic gaps, weak concept to show learners exactly what their step and how to move forward. At the center of this experience, Monica helps. An AI mentor which behaves like a real guide, Monica explains, suggests improvements, maintain consistency, and dynamically adapt learning path based on each learner progress. This system is strengthened by continuous guidance from IntelliPath mentors and faculty, whose industry experience and feedback have played a key role in shaping Neopath's learning logic. Their insights helps align the platform with real-world skill expectation, ensuring learners don't just practice, but practice with purpose. A personalized dashboard tracks growth, stakes, focus area, while AI-driven insights recommend what to practice next, rewards, certificate, milestones, which converts discipline into motivation and consistency into habit. Over time, Neopath builds a deep skills profile for every learner, capturing strength, recurring mistakes, and improvement velocity. This allows the platform to consistently refine practice path and making learners smarter, faster, deeply personalized. Neopath doesn't just teach coding, it's build confidence, self-awareness developers by turning efforts into measurable progress and learning into guided, personalized journey.